Special thanks to our folks over at VICSEED who were nice enough to send us their laptop stand holder. So not really anything around the box besides VICSEED's logo there. And then on the back you have the weight and the model, the STLA08. So let's open this on up. Take a look here. Ooh, so we have a little guide, it looks like. It tells us how to put it together. Looks like it just pops in together. And oh, very nice. Dang. Very, very nice material. And then yeah, you can see here is where it'll just kind of slide into this bar. You even have two options here for how you want to do it. So if you have a bigger laptop, you're able to put it in the wider one, or a smaller laptop for the smaller one. This is the main bottom part of the base right here, with the little VICSEED logo there. Very nice. And lastly, the other part, and then that's it for the box. Very, very nice item here. Wow, so it just kind of slides into place like so, and then slide the other one in. And there we go. Now they're both in. The laptop stand is together. Let me show you what this looks like with my M2 MacBook Air on it. So here's our VICSEED laptop stand. As you can see, they have this nice rubbery grip where the laptop actually sits. So that way when I take my MacBook and I sit it on here, it's got some grip and it's not gonna go anywhere. That is essentially what you would use the stand for. Great for displaying your MacBook, or even putting your MacBook somewhere. If you use dongles and then your MacBook goes out to like monitor, these are great for that. This actually, you know, if you had a second monitor beside this, it'd be basically side by side. So I really, really like this laptop stand from VICSEED. Very good product. Nice stand, not gonna break, not gonna drop your laptop. Too big, thumbs up. Thanks again to VICSEED for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.